In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT's deep research capabilities to save hours on research. Let's dive right in and streamline your research process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Now, if you're unsure what browser to use, any of the popular ones like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will work perfectly. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar staring back at you. What we're going to do here is type in ChatGPT. This search term will lead us to the website we need. After entering ChatGPT, hit Enter, and you'll be greeted by a list of search results. Quite often, you'll see the official ChatGPT or the OpenAI website as one of the top results. Click on this link, and voila! A gateway to advanced research capabilities is at your fingertips. Upon reaching the ChatGPT website, you might notice the modern, user-friendly interface designed to facilitate seamless interaction. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to provide a specific prompt to illustrate how you can leverage ChatGPT for in-depth research. Imagine you need a peer-reviewed analysis of neuroplasticity in aging adults, focusing on studies from 2015 to 2025. You'd want to highlight key theories, address any limitations and conflicts, and gather interdisciplinary insights. So in the input field provided, type this prompt: conduct a peer-reviewed analysis of neuroplasticity in aging adults, 2015-2025, highlighting key theories, limitations, conflicts, and interdisciplinary insights. While you type, it's essential to be as specific and detailed as possible with your prompt. This precision will ensure that ChatGPT tailors its response to your exact research needs, giving you a wealth of relevant information. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to click on the Submit button. This step activates ChatGPT's processing powers, and it begins sifting through its vast knowledge base to compile valuable, custom-tailored insights for your query. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this process may take a few moments. But rest assured, what you'll get is a comprehensive breakdown, a meticulously crafted response that encapsulates years of research in a succinct format. There you have it. From initiating your search to getting a detailed analysis, all done in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. This approach is transformative for researchers, professionals, or anyone who needs thorough, scholarly information quickly. Make sure to explore various prompts and refine your queries as needed to get the best results from this powerful tool. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology to boost productivity. Happy researching!